The Nimizo Apter-nxljhjngjhjh240 is a durable and versatile battery charger designed for a wide range of technical batteries, including gel, AGM, and maintenance-free types. This intelligent charger automatically adjusts to the 12-volt battery voltage of vehicles, ensuring a smooth and efficient charging process monitored by a microprocessor. With its advanced control electronics, the charger analyzes the battery's condition and optimizes the charging mode to maintain an optimal charge status. It is particularly beneficial for seasonal vehicles, preventing deep discharge and keeping the battery at an ideal level during long periods of inactivity. Equipped with a winter charging mode, reconditioning features, and a power supply mode, it remains effective even in temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius. Safety is a priority with this charger, featuring automatic protection against overcharging, short circuits, and reverse polarity, along with an easy-to-read LCD display for monitoring charging status.